Hello, hi. How are you all? This is our second class. Our topic is accounting cycle. So, usually, accounting cycle is a complete sequence beginning with the recording of transaction and ending with preparation of final statements. What are the final statements? Trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. These are all financial statements. So, how it begins? It begins with journal entries and ends with financial statements means final statements. The final statements are trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. Okay, this is our accounting cycle. So, the first one is identify and analyze the business. What kind of business we are doing? According to that, we are going to prepare journal entries, etc. Okay, so for recording journal entries, we should have source documents. So, what are the source documents? The source documents are cash memo, invoices, debit note, credit note, bills, etc. Okay, these are called as source documents. Source documents. Okay, so according to source documents or with the help of source documents, we are preparing journal entries. Preparing in the sense just we are recording the transactions in the journal means we are doing journal entries. So with the journal entries we are posting the transactions in the ledgers. We are posting transactions in the ledgers. What does it mean? It means transferring of transaction from journal to their respective accounts. Okay. Next, post the transaction in the ledger. Over. Then we are going to prepare trial balance. Trial balance means what? This is a summary of ledger accounts. It involves preparation of what is the preparation of balances of each and every account to verify whether the sum of debit is equals to the sum of credit balances to ensure arithmetical accuracy. Then with this, with the help of trial balance, we are going to prepare final accounts in between the generalized and post adjustment entries. Okay. After that, we are going to prepare trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. Okay. Means preparing the final statements. This is our accounting cycle. Accounting cycle involves what are the accounting cycle involves? Okay, with the source documents we are preparing what we are preparing journal entries, for that ledgers, then trial balance, then after preparing trial balance what we are doing adjustment entries, then final statements mean trading and profit and loss account and balance sheets. This is our accounting cycle. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.